Guys, sorry I haven't been recording, but let's go ahead and go to Roblox. Because I've got a banger for you. And I think it's pretty sick. Alright. Let's just find the game. Oh, and if you're wondering, the game's called Friday Night Partying. So you can play it for yourself. Anyways, let's go ahead and hop in the private server. Yeah, I've played this game before on my little channel, but I've gotten a little bit better. And I'm gonna play this little song for you. Actually, I'm gonna be able to play two, so just keep watching. Yeah, this is taking a while to load. Taking a while. My phone is kind of slow today. Sorry if it's too slow. Anyways, it looks like my game loaded. It just needs to load a tiny bit more before we start. There's already a little bit of music. Loading. Wow, that was kind of fast. Anyways, let's go ahead and walk over here. I don't know, I was walking like that, like an NPC. No, not yet. First, we need to do a little warm-up. We need to do a little warm-up real quick.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh. I already caught misses. There's a hard part coming up in about 10 seconds. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Ooh, that's hard. Okay, we're back. Woo! Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm bad. I'm bad. But it is time for the next song. It is time for the next song and final. Go ahead. Yes, you hear it right now. Let's go ahead and play. Alright. hardest song that probably, no, not the hardest, but it's about medium. It's kind of hard though. Y'all ready? Alright, here we go. God dang, it ain't letting me quit. I'm recording this It ain't letting me quit, guys. It's never been this loud in my life. I would have been way better if it was letting me quit. It's pretty hard. Let me quit, God dang it. Let me quit. Finally it lets me click a little bit. What the heck? Okay, here we go. Alright. Bro, this fits my avatar so good, bro. I don't know how to I can't really see the dark ones. Anyways, let's see what I got. Did I get an A and I got an A? Well, alright. Whoa. That's all for today. Comment below if you want to see some more of that. And comment what song. And I'll see you later.